Go, what are we doing?
We're going on the boat, but we have to take a big car.
Yes. This is the experience we're gonna have for a few days, and it starts with a bus ride, or a shuttle ride, I should say.
Wow.
I see that you get excited already. Right, we arrived. We're here. I have no idea where we are. We're going to the restaurant to eat. Wow, they took our bags on the scooters. Wow, that's amazing.
Our bags are getting a luxury treatment. They don't have to walk.
Look at the ducks. It's a duck farm. Oh my god.
But they are happier when they have high tide.
So it all fills up with water.
Half on land, half in water.
Oh wow. Banana.
This one we call now cooked banana.
Oh yeah, it's the one you fry.
High tide, the water come up here.
But it's a river and they still have a tide?
They start from Tibet of China and they go to the sea and a tide from the sea.
Wow.
It's usually 2 meters between high tide and low tide. And that one like cotton.
Oh, look at that. Where does that come from?
From the tree we call K-pop, the big tree here. You see they're hanging down there?
Oh, they're hanging down
Oh
there.
yeah, look at that.
And the cotton we can put in the pillow or toys. That river clam we can put inside the fresh spring roll or the summer roll.
Look at the jackfruit. Wow.
Oh, that's definitely gonna fall.
When the tree has only like 2 or 3, they take out the other one and make only one bigger. They can get to 20 kilo. So the really big one, they can give you like more than 100 jackfruit at a time. Oh, dragon fruit.
This is the flower starting, and
This
when
is
the
start.
flower withering, this is the fruit coming.
Oh, the
coming
fruit
from
is
here.
there. Okay.
Mama, he's in his teenage years.
Yeah, just like you, right?
It
It
looks
does
like,
like a
Yeah, it
cactus.
looks like cactus. They had a spike
yeah.
of thorn.
Wow.
Little temple, yes. That for the demon, because people here they believe in demons and the ghosts. Especially at the night time, the demon and the ghosts will starting to come and walk around here to make the demon happy with their life. They build a little temple and offering to the demon some
Really
food.
the offering, yeah.
Yes.
Is that our boat?
Yeah.
Not too small,
Not too small, yeah.
but like not even too big.
This is very colonial.
Oh, look at that.
This is where we're gonna take a little break. This is the restaurant.
So we just took a 2-hour car ride, and now apparently we have to take a break in the restaurant.
Oh, look at this.
Ilka, just flavor water. You like water.
So from Cai Be, the boat will cruise up the Mekong. Sometimes the boat in the big river and sometimes the boat in the smaller river.
Okay.
And on the way we will stop some places.
Cosimo's gonna run me over. Bye. We're gonna go explore. We are on the Mekong right now. There is so much fruit everywhere here. It's amazing. Mangoes, bananas, jackfruit, durians, coconuts, pineapples, everything. And a lot of bonsai too. Okay, now we are at a goat farm. Guys, there's so much going on in these little streets.
Every house they have bonsai, they have fruit tree inside the house, pepper. It's everywhere.
Ducks, goats. These are the first goats we see.
Look my hand, compare the fruit.
Now we are on a tight little road. Wow. So he was explaining that there is a high tide and a low tide here because the river goes into the sea and it's every 6 hours. So right now this part is all dried out because it's low tide. And it will fill in during high tide. And then they also risk floods sometimes because of the way the road is made. Then the water basically stops. This is really tight. So it's hard to imagine now because we are not here during rainy season. We can't really grasp the whole flooding thing, but it must be pretty interesting. Purple mango.
Here we can do like purple, green, or yellow mango.
I don't think we ever had purple mango.
Yes, we have.
We have?
We also had a pink mango too.
Oh, wow. So the same thing, they close it for the insects or for?
Yeah, they close it to the insect.
Wow.
It's a coffin.
Coffin.
For bury the dead.
So this is a communal house.
Belonging will be buried with them. Belonging
Right.
like clothes or mosquito nets.
So they would put the body on top and the belongings under?
Inside empty, and they put the body down and belonging with the body, and then they put some tea, green tea in there, and then they clock it and they bury down. We bury everywhere we go.
So depends on the coffin. They are more elaborate with this one with marble. So it's like 2,000, 3,000 US dollar because it's nicer. And instead, the smaller one, it's 500 or 1,000. And they are big like this because they bury the person with all their belongings on the ground. There is no regulation here in Vietnam, so wherever you go, you're gonna find burial ground everywhere. So normally they said for men it's the dragon, and for women it's the phoenix.
We were drumming to let the people in the village know someone died. But now government recommend we cremate the body, burn the body. It serves the property for the next generation. Because we are original berry, but we live there for about 20 years and we dig it up. And we collecting the bone, we give the space for the next generation. But now when the people have better income, they build a very big concrete tomb. So the tomb just live there forever and they get bigger.
So now we're gonna visit a Vietnamese temple.
Population in Vietnam about 25 to 30% we follow religions. Buddhist is the biggest one with more than 10 million followers, and the second one is Catholic, and then Cao Dai. So it's mixed religions. They mix of Buddhist, Catholic, Islamic, and Taoism, and that region is more popular in the south of it. You see up there, that's the swastika. That's the symbol of mercy from Buddha. And we see here in the radio they are praying. Nam Mô A Di Đà Phật. Nam Mô A Di Đà Phật is like kind of incantation or talisman people use it when they pray, when they see a ghost or some demon coming closer. How they praying to the God, to the Buddha. They say Nam Mô A Di Đà Phật. You can hear it.
Go away.
Look how they transport the jackfruit. They are huge. Wow, it's heavy, man. It's like
Oh, it tells you how much it weighs.
yeah. How much is it? Almost 9 kilos.
Wow.
So I just have...
Hello.
Hello.
Instagram, the Facebook, 30s for WhatsApp, 10 for camera, 5 for people, 5 for people.
This is the place where we have lunch, and then we're gonna go on the boat. Look, I can't wait to go on the boat. That's all he wants to do. And look how pretty it is. Everything is so green. This is the fish. The Cosimo looks just like him. We had our beautiful bike ride in the heat. We had a lovely lunch. And now it's finally time.
It was
Lunch, but Cosimo's gonna eat more apparently. And now it's time to finally go on the boat, which is what Luca has been waiting the whole time.
Because he's gonna hijack the boat.
Yeah, apparently
Okay,
he's
no.
driving. So now he's probably talking to the guy, trying to convince him that he
No, I
really
think
should
he's talking
drive.
about all the animals here.
It's really hot.
Really hot.
That's the one thing. And there's no AC on the boat.
Yay!
Guys,
But we're on the
we are
water,
in the Mekong, so
where we have the pleasure of being here.
Look, you're wearing a jacket.
So we're gonna make the best of it and enjoy it. It might rain too, so. Apparently Emma's phone said it will rain
Slightly.
slightly.
Maybe not even in our area. It's like, it looks like a mini cabana on a boat. What is it?
Oh yeah!
Đứng lên này, đứng lên này.
guys, it's look like we are moving, but it's actually the river. We are still at a touch. Hello. Thank you.
Okay, so we are sitting in our living room on the boat. There's most of the family. Luca disappeared. He's trying to convince the captain to make him drive. Look at the view. Let's go see what Luca is doing. Hi, Luca. I'm okay. I'm enjoying the view. Cosimo is finally gonna fall asleep.
I'm not going to sleep.
I'm not going to sleep. Oh yeah, well your book is not there. Daddy is. Everybody's here.
Guys, there's a boat. He's coming. Are we gonna crash? Hopefully not. You can't see, but all the little, the leaves, not leaves, lily pads, are they? In the water, they're all going rippling. Ooh. Wow, this is a huge boat. Look at that, all the little waves. Whee! Oh my gosh, you can't even, oh. Well, I mean, you can't feel them, but they're there. Look, now we have a clear path to the middle of nowhere. It feels like we're in a movie. One of those movies where they're searching for treasure, like Dora the Explorer.